So you have pickup delivery service company intends to computerize its operation. You have been tasked to create a database for the company. You are supposed to open a database program and create a database file named Peacock in the NEC exam. So let me show you how to create a folder first before we move. Right click, then a new, come to it is written new, then folder. You are being told to call it NEC exam. And then after creating a NEC exam, that folder, let me close this part. We read the question. Open a database program. So you're supposed to open a Microsoft Access. And then the name of your access will be called Peacock. So here create blank. So the name of your access will be called Peacock. Peacock, like that. CR, not ER. Peacock. And then in the cell, in this folder, in the desktop is called NEC exam. I look for NEC here, then open, then OK, then create. After doing that, we continue. The question: create the following tables in the database. In a database, for example, the important thing you as the learner, you're supposed to know these fields: the field name and the data types. In this field name, customer ID, the data type here is short text. The name is the short text. The second table, which is called item table, you have the following fields: item ID, item name, and charges per kilogram. This one is short text. This one is currency. The third table, customer ID, is short text. This one is date or time. This one is short text. I will just show you the way you do. It's very easy. So let us create the first table. It has two fields, that is customer ID and customer name. So this one, right click, design view. The table first is called customer table. And then it has the following fields. We have customer ID, which will be the primary key. Customer ID. And then we have the second field called customer name. So customer ID, in this case, we have said it is short text, and then customer name also is a short text. Yes. So we save the table, we enter the data again. So data sheet view, we enter the data. It will be CT001, 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 CT002, CT003. There are how many customers? There are 3: Francisca, John, and Eunice. So the name is Francisca, John, and Eunice. Like that. You save the table, you close the table. Let us continue. The second table is item table. It has the item table. So create table, right click, design view, it's called item table. And then it has the following fields: item ID, item name, charges. Item ID, item name, and charges. So you must identify the data types here. This one is short text, currency. This is short text, and then this one will be currency, or you can place it to be a number. The number of decimal place is 2. As you can see there, it is 2. And then save your table. You can pause this video, then you practice. So we want to enter the data IT001 up to IT003. Sorry, IT001, IT002, IT003, and then the item name will be lettuce perishable food, lettuce perishable food, lettuce perishable food, and then unperishables. And then the charges is 20, 60, 100, 20, 60, 100. Simple. Close. Let us move to the third table. It's called delivery table. Create design table. Right click, design view, delivery table. In delivery table, you have the following: CT001. This one is a lookup wizard. We'll be looking for these fields. So it means the third table will not have a primary key. So let us know this one, custom ID. This is called custom ID. And then customer what again? Delivery date. Delivery date. This is date of time. And then item ID. Item ID, the fourth field is weight in kilogram, like that. This is the number. This one is just the number, not the long text but number. Save default value, remove this default value. Okay, then this table should not have a primary key. It will be just looking. This one is a short text first, and then I look up wizard. I'm just trying to create, I want the lookup fields to get values from another table. Which table? Customer table, because it's custom ID. The customer, I want a custom ID. Next, enable data integrity, create, delete, finish. And this one, item ID, it will be from item table. I want the lookup fields to get from another item table. Next, I want item ID. Next, enable data integrity, cascade, delete, finish. Yes, and then you close, and then we can see if the relationship has been created. That is correct. So I just enable this one, all fields in data integrity. Then I click data integrity. Very simple. And then let us feed our table now with values. The table, it was delivery table. So we can check from the question, that is CT001, 002, 003, CT001, CT002, CT003. And then I have seen what is repeated here, CT002, 002, and then 001. CT002, 002, then 001, sorry. Delivery date, that is 5/17, so 5/17/2021, 5/17/2021. So this one is that we have a problem, but it's very easy. So here in format, I begin with month, then day, then year, like that. And then datasheet view. And then the second one is 4/19/2021, 4/19/2021, Then third one is 6/20/2021. 6/20/2021. 2021. Then 7/6/2021. 7/6/2021. Then 8/18/2021. 8/18/2021. The last one is 9/18/2021. 9/18/2021. The item ID, you can check here, is IT001. It has repeated twice. And then next IT02. Then next IT003. IT003. Then next IT001. The last one is IT003. IT003. Wait. 10/15/20. 10/15/20. 10/15/20. 30/15/40. 30/15/40. 30/15/40. You can pause the video, you practice, there is no problem. Through practicing, you will perfect this skill. Let us continue the question now. Create appropriate relationship. As you can see here, database tools, the relationship has been created automatically. The next question. create a forms that could be used to enter the data, customer and item table. Customer, so create form, come here to form. Okay, delete this part, it is not necessary. This part, design view, this one, and that one. Just add in form design. I add up here a button of save and deleting, record operation, and new record. The name of that one will be called save. Save, then finish. The next button will be called delete. Record operation, delete, record. Next, this one will be called delete. Finish. I can arrange this one. Arrange for tabular like that. You can add some colors in my home field. You can place this one, this color, and then I can place this one to be maybe white. Font type maybe that. What else should I do? This field, the form field. Okay, you can see the question is not difficult. This is called customer form. Close all, and then you're being told to create another form. Save the forms as F form customer and then form item. So form customer, so I rename this one F and M customer. You can remove this part. It's called customer FRM, like that. Close. And then create the second form, is called item form. So I want this one, item table, then form directly, right click, design view. So I don't want this part, I just add a button here. Form design, I add this button, is called save. Record operation, add new record. Next, it's called save. Finish. The other one is called delete. Just add a button, very simple. This one is called delete. I arrange this one to be tabular. place it to be some home, somewhat. There's more need for that. Home, fill, let it remain like this one, like that. This one is called item form, and then I save this one to be form item. There it is in the question. Close all. And then let us read the next question. Create a query that will display the following: customer name, this one, and amount paid, this one. So this one is very simple. So create a query to display the fields, customer name. So we come here to create query design, add these fields, this table, this other one, and this the last table, this one. Then you close. After doing that, customer name, I just want the customer name, double click that. Next, item name, where you see the item name, you double click that one. And then delivery date, where I see the delivery date, double click that one. And then charges per kg, double click that one. And then we want weight, so I want to weight. Then you save this query first. We are being told to save the query as query charges, like that. Then here we are being told to create a calculated field, amount, and a calculated field called amount paid. So here I type amount paid. Then right click, build, place there column is given by, you can read the question. Amount paid is the product of the charges and the weight. Weight, delete this part, multiplied by the charges, like that. Press OK. You can run your query. You check if it is done. Sorry, amount paid, I forgot here to place a colon, like that. We can run our query. We check if it is working out, as you can see. And then you save, you close. Let us continue the question. Create a column report for the query in C. So it's very simple. Right click that, create report. Okay, create a report. Save RPT charges. So you're supposed to save this one, RPT charges. Like that. And then I do some editing here. This part I can increase to be very visible, like that. Design view, so I can decide to do the totals. I can sort this one to be name, add group by name. Can review our report. Show grand total. Report view. let us leave our form like that. There's no problem. Like this one. So group according to the name. Okay, save that one, close. The next part of the question, print out the following, the tables and the charges, report charges. So you click this one, Control P on your keyboard, you'll print, and then what else? Supposed to print tables, so you'll double click, Control P. The same applies when you double click this other table, Control P, like that. Thank you for being my audience. You can like, you can share, you can subscribe, you can also comment. Good day.